Mamacita, and welcome back to my channel. So glad to have you guys back here today with a brand new video and a very fun concept that I am a part of with a bunch of other fun YouTube girls, and you will be able to check out all of our videos in one playlist. If you just go to my description, you can see everybody's video in this collection, and it's going to be so much fun because here's the deal. Have you guys heard about Galentines? I mean, Galentines should be worldwide. I mean, this is something that if you don't know about it now, you now know, and you should definitely take part in it. Galentines is celebrating gals, and your gal friends, your mama, your sister, your friend, anybody that is a awesome gal in your life that you cherish and adore. And I just happen to be a part of this group along with, I think there's 10 others. I'm not for sure the exact amount, but here's what we did. We did kind of like a secret Santa type deal, but instead it is your secret Galentine. And so there are going to be two parts of this video. The first part of the video is going to be me selecting items and choosing the gift for my Galentine. And then the second part of the video is going to be me opening up my gift for my Galentine. So it's going to be so much fun, and I can't wait for you guys to see this whole process. And maybe even you could come up with your own sort of Galentine festivities that you can share with your girls. So let me explain this whole Galentine's festivities. We are a group of 9 women that exchange names, kind of like a Secret Santa deal, but it's for a Galentine. And you can do this with your friends or coworkers or anybody that you want to celebrate Galentines with. I mean, it's kind of a fun thing to get a package in the mail. And you guys all know how crazy I get to open packages on camera. So yeah, you will get to see me open my package in the second part of this video. But the first part of the video here, I'm going to show you the items that I got for my Galentine and my little shopping excursion to find the perfect items for my Galentine. So how do I know what to get my Galentine? Well, great question. What we did was we had a fun little questionnaire that we filled out. And we were to include items like our favorite snacks, our favorite colors, and then there was a little section where we could share a wish list of items that, whether it could be from Amazon or any other website that we wanted to share our wish list. And then we also shared hobbies, like things that we like to do, and so that was kind of a fun thing to get to know our Galentine and things that may interest them and give us an idea of what to get for their package. So that's kind of the beginning part of this Galentine process. But the very, 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 very complicated part I thought was finding something that I think my Galentine would actually like. And we were to keep it around a budget of $30, and there are 5 things we had to include in our package for our Galentine. So, $30 budget, 5 items. Here they are. The first thing, we had to include a snack, item, or treat that we would like our Galentine to try, or something that we thought that they would like, whether it be chocolate or caramel, whatever they included in their list. The second thing that we had to include was a channel recommendation, and that could be YouTube, it could be social media, it could be anything that we wanted to recommend to our Galentine to check out. The third thing that we were to include was 1 item off of our Galentine's wish list. And then the fourth thing was a little more challenging. It's based on the questionnaire, and we were to get something that we thought our Galentine would like. So based on their hobbies, their favorite colors, their interests. Yeah, so that was a bit of a challenge. However, I think I did a pretty good job in this one. We'll see. But the fifth thing we're supposed to do is include a card or note with a letter revealing our name. So, revealing who you are as your secret Galentine. Now, when we were to send the package, we were to leave the return address off the box because, of course, we want our Galentine to be surprised. Well, let's just say in the second part of my video, you will see, I don't know if my Galentine completely read the directions, but hey, it is okay. I still love her. So now, you guys, are you ready to check out what I got from my Galentine? Well, you can do so by checking out my shopping excursion here in just a little bit. And don't forget, you can check out my Galentine opening up her package from me in the playlist below. So let's do it! Hi, so I am going in now and I'm going to go shop for my secret Galentine in just a minute. Galentine's video, and this is the really exciting part for me. Yes, I loved picking out items for my Galentine, but come on, who doesn't love getting fun boxes in the mail? I know, right? This is like the best. The really funny part of this is we were supposed to keep it a secret. Well, I got my package, and on the package, on the return address, is my Galentine's name. So, needless to say, I do know who this is, but girl, I love you, I adore you, and I'm really excited to see what you picked out for me. So, let's get to it. So excited, it's like Christmas, but it's Galentine's Day. February 13th is Galentine's Day. In case you didn't know, let's see what my Galentine got for me. Ooh, she got me a card. Happy Valentine's Day. See that? Hope it's as happy as can be. Happy Galentine's from Natalie. XOXO. Love you, girl. All right, I'm gonna put that on my table. Okay, let's take a little look-see here. Woo! Oh, she put it all in a cute little box, and it's blue. You guys, I love blue. It's my favorite color. Oh, you know me so well. Let's take a look here. Oh, she really taped it good. You taped it good, girl. Oh, for fun! Look at that, how cute that is. I know, I'm fangirling right now over this. It's blue. It's blue. Oh, that's so cute. Peep's sake. It's a mug. I love coffee. perfect. This is going to be my new morning mug. I love it. Thank you so much. And then, yes, I do love this strawberry peach EOS. These are my favorite. I love these things. You know what I like, girl. And then, yes, this is perfect. I love chocolate. And this is the best chocolate too, Ghirardelli's chocolate. Yeah. And what? Chocolate chip cookies, Ghirardelli's. I have not, believe it or not, I have not had these. I have not had these before. So guess what? We're ripping into the bag right now. I could use some milk though. I should go get some milk. Well, let's just try these first. Are you kidding me? These are legit. Totally legit. I'm gonna go get some milk and I'm gonna have, put milk in my mug? Yes, great idea. And then, lastly, yes. She knows I love masks. So I'm gonna try these hydrating coconut gel sheet mask and a brightening coconut gel sheet mask. Yes, girl, yes! Thank you so much. That was so sweet. I am so happy. This was such a fun thing. And just know that I absolutely love it. So happy Galentine's Day, Natalie. And to everybody else in this world, happy Galentine's Day. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day holiday. Thanks so much for watching. Wasn't that so much fun, you guys? I love Galentine's Day. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. And I hope that inspired you to maybe organize your own special Galentine's festivities. I mean, hey, who does not love getting a package? Okay, you guys, this was so much fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and come back for more videos from me, Saving Mamacita.